Hey Lincoln Park, Michigan. Locked out or need a locksmith you can rely on? Welcome to Immediately Locksmith, your trusted, local locksmith service in Lincoln Park. 4 new building ventures, property management firms, real estate agents, architects, interior designers, retail shops, restaurants, colleges, universities, healthcare centers, apartment complexes, small businesses, and various other commercial facilities across the Lincoln Park area. Immediately Locksmith offers a top-of-the-line commercial locksmith services near you in the entire region. Choose Immediately Locksmith for prompt, expert services. Ready to experience hassle-free locksmith solutions? Call us now at 313 329 6063 or visit our website at www.immediatellylocksmith.com.